Banner. What is a feather flag? Explainer video. What are feather flags? Feather flag is a popular banner display that is mainly used as outdoor advertising flags for shops, churches, restaurants, or used as signs for outdoor events.
So, how does the feather flag works? How can I get more business without much advertising budget?
The business traffic and sales boosted almost instantly after the advertising feather flags have been set up.
Thanks, Banner. The feather flag saved my business.
With the optional base stand, the feather flag can also be used as indoor signage for trade shows and conferences. The name of feather flag comes from the feather shape of this flag. However, other shapes are also available. Want to buy a feather flag now? Banner offers cheap price feather flags custom printed at below wholesale cost.